From the land of Statue of Unity to the Statue of Liberty, join the buzzing street of Times Square for the festivities amidst the towering glitzy skyscrapers. Immerse yourself becoming an international spy. Share the Indian pride with fellow advisors and shake a leg on the beats of accolades. And celebrate a moment of unity and pride by hoisting our Indian tricolor. Enter the power corridors by walking through Capitol Hill and walk through the heart of the global finance, the New York Stock Exchange. Feel the pain of those who lost their lives in the WTC. Join me today as I embrace the spirit of ambition that drives us all, reminding us that no dream is too big. It's all about chasing an Indian dream in the USA. It's all about being the select one.